Welcome to another adventure. Today finally I'm with Pierre. We are for another adventure and we are in the limits of Bahrija. We found an interesting cave. It's called the Black Cave and we are going to explore and go around this cave. They told me that it has a unique feature as well in this cave that we didn't find in other caves here in Malta till now, obviously. So let's go and explore from here. We go, Pierre?
Done.
We are seeing the cave in front of us. It's very nice here, the area, Pierre, eh?
Amazing, even the views and
The views from here.
look up right here. Yeah, it's big, this cave, man.
There's this pathway here, the stairs. We are already seeing water because it rained a lot during the last days. Look, even here. And here there is a small like cave. That's interesting over there. There's like a shelf. So now let's enter this cave. It seems quite big. There are these features of rubble walls. We find them in every cave because way back troglodytes used to live here. And then as you can see there's a man-made hole and a tunnel which give us a good indication that this was used as well as a shelter during World War II. Pierre already entered this. It's not that small, eh? The rubble wall. You can notice those, what do they call them? Quick draws.
And they are attached to bolts also.
Yes, they use them for climbing. Water dripping everywhere. Even this rubble wall, Lara. There was like an arch over there and a small, I think, window or it fell. Maybe it fell, that part. Or a small door. It's amazing, eh? And this is all natural, this part. These features over here are these cracks. They used to use them as shelves as well. During those times there was no furniture, so they had to do all natural. Unfortunately, a lot of rubbish here. We condemn such things. Even here. It's amazing, huh? Since it rained a lot, as I told you, there are a lot of water dripping. There's another like pocket here. Look. There's a spider web over here. I don't know, I think it's dead. A small pocket and this large pocket here. Even here are a lot of webs. Very, very interesting. It's a wow. We thought it was not that big, but when you come here, you will have another idea of this place. Look what a beautiful view, eh? This is the tunnel that I told you that we will explore later. Look at the layers and the rocks. Barbecue areas, unfortunately. Don't do these things, eh? Look, even here.
It's very nice, eh?
Really nice and quite big, eh? We have this, we call it marbat in Maltese, where they used to tie animals. And this type of rock that seems is not that hard, so that's why they dig this entrance here to a tunnel or shelter, which was used, at least that's what we think, that it was used during World War II.
Go inside, yeah?
We go inside, see, yes. Just take care on this rubble wall spear, because it's a bit...
And it is a shelter, Angela, look. We have this blast entrance out here.
it's 90 degrees.
Yeah. To control the blast. What we use in shelter.
It's very nice. There's another 90 degrees here.
It's fairly large, John.
I will put some more light. Quite interesting. Even here are these holes. How many there are? We have an interesting feature here. They are all stalactites over here.
And have a look here, Angela.
Even here.
How it is. Very nice, huh?
Even here.
Yeah,
It's
they
the water
continue.
dripping.
They drip.
They drip from there and they form pots next to the wall. It's like an area with stalactites. Even here there are water dripping. These interesting features in the ceiling. Like shelves here. We have water dripping as well. Even here. It's very big, yeah? There's another entrance here. Imagine living here, Pierre, during those not
It's
that.
fairly large, yeah?
Yes, even the water is dripping.
And there are
Even
some
here.
stalactites where you are, on the ceiling. Maybe you
Yeah.
walk down.
Oh, here, yes, I showed them. Even here, there are like holes in the ceiling. Maybe they were formed with water everywhere. There's some bones here. I don't know if it's a snail or...
I think we are at the end of it, aren't we? Because look, 90 degrees, 90 degrees.
Yes, another 90 degrees here. Very, very interesting, huh?
Yes, yeah, look.
You don't imagine in a cave finding this. It's a unique, huh?
First time we found this, here is blocked, I think, on this.
Here there's a lot of water. I'm hearing plastic, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah. You can pass them if you want.
Let me explore this, if it's blocked or not. This one, it's like an old pen. This one is blocked there. So this is the end of this tunnel or shelter. Maybe there was stairs
Because
under this rubble.
These shelters aren't always have two exits.
Yes, yes. Even if something happens in one end, they will have another one to escape from. Look at these with the pick. Imagine during those time hitting these rocks to form this tunnel. And another thing is where they put these, or maybe they used to do the rubble walls from the rocks they cut from here
Could be as well.
at the outside, but
We find a lot of rubble outside.
As we always tell you, we're not archaeologists and we don't know full history, so this information is only guessing or what we think it might be. And now we are going back from where we came. Look at the walls. Wow. We used a lot the word wow, amazing in our vlogs, but on video you see the picture, but being here, it's a different story, yeah?
And even coming here not knowing what we're going to find.
Yes, yes. It was even videos, I didn't saw any videos of here, so...
Never.
Here like there was a door or something, or look at here, it's flesh, maybe there was one day a wooden door or something. So, and this feature, the 90 degrees for even wind and rain and maybe bombs, so they will not be hit directly. And now we are exiting this tunnel and we will end up in this massive cave. And finally we are out. I will give you a 360 degrees of this beautiful cave. It was amazing. Look, that was the tunnel that we entered and obviously returned from there. And here is the ceiling of this cave. And this is the view from here. Quite amazing, eh? The rubble walls here. There was a rubble wall over here, I think. And the other part over here. And this is the end of another adventure from the l-Iswed, which is the Black Cave in English. With me, I had Pierre doing this adventure. Please go and subscribe, like and comment on our both channels, Angelo Caruana and Pierre Farrugia. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, bye bye.